Welcome back to this channel. So today we will see how we can practice speaking English. So first we will also discuss about a tool that will online tool that will help us by connecting with different people from another country that their preferred language is English. So let's find out that particular website. So this is the website I'm typing over here. We have entered into the website. It is really simple website. Here we can see our account and just select what language you want to speak. So I have selected English. Now after selecting your chat room or after filtering your language, you will get these chat rooms where people are present, where we can see some chat rooms have two slot, some chat room has three, some chat room have four. So you can also create your chat room, but after getting verified, all you have to do is increase your followers, and when you get 15 followers you will get verified. Okay, so now let's enter into any chat room. So there is some chat room name, or this is like title of that group. Okay, so let's enter this group. Okay, we have entered into this group. Now let's wait. Okay, one person is having some audio in the background and we are mute here. We once we get verified, we can use
Hello,
our camera.
can you hear me? Oh my god, everyone is silent.
Yeah, so people are trying to let's get unmute and talk to them. Hi Royal,
Hello, how are you guys?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing great, man.
Nice.
What do you do? Are you a student or doing job?
I am kind of YouTuber.
Okay, do you make it content, video contents?
Yeah, I make teaching content like how to use whiteboard and how to make designs. etc. What do you do?
I do nothing, bro.
It's cool, bro. You are like looking for something that you gonna do, right?
Yes.
We have Mayuri with us, but she is gone now. Okay.
I don't know.
So, do you think like what we want to be in future? We should think about it.
Sorry.
Like if like for whole life, what I want to do for whole life, like my profession.
Mm-hmm.
While choosing
So,
my profession, I should take some time.
mm-hmm.
I
Yes.
like in my personal life, I have tried many things, and later I found out that I want to do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Royal. Assalamu alaikum, brothers.
Yes, walaikum salam, bro. How are you, Eloy?
I'm well by the grace of Almighty.
Nice.
That's cool. What are you doing now?
Brother, I am passing very busy time nowadays. That's why I cannot come continue on this platform. And
Mhm.
and for this, my speaking skill it is going to be lacking. Uh, I cannot improve my speaking skill for how could you say that? I have for the absent. I cannot. I already told you. I cannot continue come. I cannot continue practice. That's why.
Okay.
Okay, I get it. That's good.
Yeah, like we can do practice for at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day if we cannot get time, a lot time.
Brother, to be honest, I cannot get any single time nowadays,
Okay.
and I had been busy. I'm passing very busy time,
Mhm.
and sometimes I go very early in the morning, and I came back in my home
Late in the
uh,
night.
middle night, the
Yeah.
middle night.
Yeah.
So it is very tough to uh, come this platform.
And this platform is good for learning speaking or doing speaking practices.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. What are you typing, bro? You are doing your office?
No, I am sleeping right now.
Okay. So, like, is there night?
Where I am from, bro?
I'm from India. There is like days falling by. Like we will
India,
get
Bangladesh, more or less only 30 minutes difference,
right,
bro.
right, right, right.
I am from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I have muted myself and I'm looking for some other room.
So, Royal, how are you spend your leisure time?
Yes. You can say I'm using this website, playing some physical exercise like the game cricket or football. Right now, uh, how can I say?
This will
Walking
be enough.
sometimes, like that. Some activities I do.
I think you are using a microphone, right?
No, my voice is right now very bad.
Very loud, and
Okay, okay.
it sound good. It sound good, loud and sound good. It's like you are using a microphone. I guess. I'm not
No, no,
sure. I
no,
guess.
no, no. I'm using laptop. That's why maybe.
Just you're using laptop, nothing else.
Nothing else. Okay.
But I am getting your
Wow.
voice very clear and no
Yeah, yeah,
background noise. Yeah.
yeah. I am also. That's why I told him to. I guess that he is using any electrical device.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I ask him.
Okay. Bro, I have a question.
Yeah.
Like from both of you, like, do you find Indians everywhere?
So sorry, Indian.
Do you find Indians everywhere? Like,
Yeah, yeah, sure. In this platform, most of people from Indian. Yes, for my guess.
No, I mean to say that in the whole world, Indians are everywhere.
You can say also. You can say also. They are everywhere. And
Yeah.
most important thing is in Dubai. I don't know you know or not. In Dubai city,
Mm-hmm.
uh, in uh, ha, ha- just a moment, just a moment.
Okay, okay.
Sorry, sorry.
It's okay.
I'm coming. And Dubai,
Mm-hmm.
in Dubai, more than Dubai citizen and live Indian.
Right, right.
Indian is more
Yeah.
than Dubai.
Similar, similarly in Canada, we have all Indians. Most of people are Indians there. In Australia, we have 30% population of Indian people, and in Dubai we have South Indian people. In US, we have almost 20% people from India. I'm not sure about USA figure, but in Europe also. So I believe Indians are everywhere. We are also in like
Mm,
huge in
like most,
population.
most this website.
Okay, so nice to talk to you guys. I have to go.
Why? Oh, okay.
Okay, like it's tea time, so I will go and get me some tea. Thank you for your time.
So you are
So we just has this experience about uh, practicing English language. So I have recently connected with two people and we had some conversation, and one of guy was like having difficulty while speaking or while practicing because he did not have time to practice this way. So people are doing this. There are many people who are making their communication or speaking practices over here. So you can note down this website where free for talk. You can use this website as to to get connected to English learning or similar minds people, and try to connect with those people who are good at English. Okay, so I will close this website now and let's go back to, and thank you for your time, and I'll see you in next video.